We don't know how to be quiet in the morning.
Who are we?
How much is your doorbell?
The ring?
Yeah.
It fully works.
Morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we found a nice school for the kids, so
Yeah. Nice.
Still
yeah, I mean they were used to Pine Springs too, because that's where Landon and Ashley.
smart wake up
That's where
light.
Gianna goes.
Yeah,
She's gonna miss it.
yeah, that was a good school. But they ended up at
Wingo storybook. Nice. Southern living recipes.
so I just want to give them, you can have as many of those as you want.
This is kind of cool.
They're free. They're free. She's gonna take all of them. You can take them all. You can be a real hula hooper. Those are like $1 a piece, whatever.
These. These are cool.
Except the big one, $2. And the pink one too.
Well,
the
ladies.
gift one.
Good luck. When are you guys closing?
June 29th.
Oh wow. Okay.
So we were. I was
Probably
lucky
could do
'cause my house
one.
is supposed to be ready the end
Oh,
of
yeah.
June, but I don't think it's gonna be. When you're building, they're having a lot of trouble, I guess,
Yeah.
getting building
I used to
materials.
do
Yes, the wood and all the
It's in
supply
the
chain
hips, they say.
It's in the
In the
hips.
hips.
is on offer up and then
The trunk? Pull it. Yeah, push the button.
offer up.
Pull it.
Marketplace.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then a lot of stuff to people Joanna works with.
Yeah.
But we sold our washer and dryer,
I'll shut it in a minute.
refrigerator with the house.
Yeah, we did.
Because we don't need. We're moving into the home.
Yeah.
We sold our sectional.
Wingo.
We sold all my lawn equipment. I'm selling.
Those will be $5. Those are real expensive. I bought
Are
them
they?
for my grandchildren.
Yeah.
They like wake the kids up gradually, and my daughter hated them.
Really?
Yeah,
Hmm.
they're brand new. Only been used like 5 minutes.
Hmm.
What do they do?
It's like an alarm clock.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom would hate that.
That's a try
She doesn't like it when they wake us up.
Try it. Yeah, we should try that.
Yeah, like.
I'll grab them. Doesn't hurt.
But I don't like to Google because when
We
Mom
were getting, like, we were selling
broadcasts
stuff
to wake
quick.
us up, it's always
Real
like,
fast.
come, good
Here, hold it.
And you know they try
Time
to
to rise and
negotiate
shine.
with you,
It's so
right?
sweet.
But if you have multiple people,
I'll take them.
if you have multiple,
Is there more
people,
back here?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta try to navigate back
Yeah,
there.
we gotta, we need to make a car. We're too lazy.
That's fine.
We figure we'll just leave them there.
People that want to look will find a way. Custom fit flanges.
Well, ladies, you have a great day. We're going
Kia Soul floor mats.
Thank you.
How much are your floor mats?
$5.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably take those too. And how much are these?
You can have them.
Okay. Can I take a couple?
Somebody gave them to me, but I'm retiring, so
Oh, congrats. That's the dream.
let it go, right?
Yeah, I think so. There's something else I was gonna ask about. Oh, the cooler. How much is your cooler?
Oh, this here over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. The little
Yeah. 5 for the mats. 20? It's one of those things that I think is cool, and my wife would be like, "Where are you gonna put that?" Yeah, I could put it in the garage. I was thinking.
Yeah, that's where, you put it upstairs, because I have a little
Yeah. I don't know. I gotta think about that.
bag or something.
No, I'm good. Hey, Anna, can you grab those other floor mats for me? I could be like one of those waiters balancing all the plates.
Good, good.
Did you get rid of your Kia?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got that, and I traded it in.
Oh,
and I
it's
got
Sportage.
that.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Which one do you like better?
You know what? I loved my Soul,
Yeah.
but I needed a little more room. Because I used to,
Yeah, they
I'm
look
still a
big.
nanny.
They look big, but they're kind of small, the soles.
Yeah, I just, and it's easier in a SUV, you know, as I get older.
$20, huh? I'm really torn on this.
Well, I'll make it easier for you. 15?
That makes it harder, not easier.
You're just thinking how you're gonna explain it to your wife.
Exactly.
That's
I just like have no space. I'm gonna do it though, and
Okay.
we'll figure it out later. Here you go.
Hey, we could bring
Okay.
it in
Thank
the
you.
car.
Thank you.
Oh, plug it in the car. Oh yeah. Yeah, I made this decision. Do you want to help her get to Disney?
I wasn't going to actually. But then, you know, like they'll ask me why.
Hi. You trying to go to Disney?
I'm not around anybody. I don't.
Hmm.
You gotta talk. Are you trying to get to Disney?
Yes.
Yeah. And some goldfish.
Put this in there.
I know. I said, do you know who I am? She said, no. I'll put it.
This is what she
There
said.
you go. We'll do a goldfish and a Capri Sun.
A goldfish and a Capri Sun. Yes.
Yeah. And pick a juicy one. Anna.
And
Oh, yeah. I know.
are they different flavors or are they all the same flavor?
They're all the same.
Okay.
Ooh.
Not Brittany. I said Brittany.
Sydney. I knew what you meant. We know. They only won the round.
$10 for shells.
Grandma liked that.
The Mickey thing? Yeah, that's cute.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, jeez. The Capri Sun's cold.
Huh? It'll be refreshing then.
Nice and refreshing. Oh, Dad.
Hmm. Oh, that's from Great Wolf Lodge, right?
Yeah.
Yep, Violet the Wolf.
Oh,
Cute.
jeez, that's cold.
Thank you, ma'am.
They're cute.
Dad, it's the exact same dog from the other one.
Which one? The world's cutest? Oh, that.
$2
Oh, that's cool.
for Elson on it. Oh, wash it, please.
Samantha, I think I lost that. What thing? The hairbrush.
It's much less.
I gotta look for it in the paper. Oh.
Is it? It's the little one.
Like at the entrance?
Say what?
Yeah, but it's on the, I don't know.
Fast drying system.
Do you need another one?
I told him to put it like, yeah, it's like,
What is this? Stud finder?
I wonder if this will fit in my pocket. It's freezing my There we go.
5 doses.
it's larger than
Oh, okay.
everywhere we could put it.
Did you put it on Facebook Marketplace too? And then I did it again this morning with pictures of everything.
Ah.
So.
I bet.
How much are the plush?
Debbie's clothes.
$1 for both.
Okay. So $4?
$4.
Okay.
You want a bag?
No, I'm okay. Thank you
I
though.
was gonna say if you want a bag, I have a bag.
Mommy.
Ma'am.
2, 3, 4. There you go.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Good luck with the Disney trip. Oh, Anna, did you see they got Anna and Elsa?
Yeah, I saw this one. Has a big head.
Yes.
I wonder if those are worth anything.
I thought these were cool.
$4 for this guy.
Yeah, I thought these ones are cool,
Yeah.
but this one just has kind of a big head.
Yeah. I think it's pretty cool. Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
I remember when.
Oh, wow. It's so nice out.
That's beautiful out.
Extreme Pro from Logitech. That is beat.
It's not gonna be $4 anyways.
You could ask. Doesn't hurt to ask.
Wait, is that a charger?
I don't know. Are they Harry Potter books?
I don't have stickers on anything,
That's okay.
so just make an offer.
Okay.
Dad,
Yeah. Yeah.
you think it would work?
I'm sure. Why don't you ask her? It's not my scooter.
$5 only because it's very finicky. it'll go and then it stops, and then it goes and it stops.
That's what happened to your
And-
first one you had,
Yeah,
remember?
he only had it for like 3 months, and
Yeah.
it just like stopped working.
Yeah, hers
But we don't
stopped
know
working. too.
why.
Excuse me.
Hi, baby.
I gotta get
You gotta get through there. That's
blocked
okay.
his path.
You got it, dude.
Well, Anna, you
I
can
know,
think about it.
right?
Let's check that one out, and you can think about if you want to get it or not.
I can't even afford it. I don't have $1. I need $4.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. Sure is. Let's see if we get any offerings. Brody, can you go to your scooter?
How much is your CD?
$2.
$2? Yeah, it's a wallet for your money. What is this?
Whoa,
Pop-O-Matic
that's really
Treble.
big. I did not see that coming. It's kind of like mine.
It's kind of cool.
I can't get it out. No, not really.
Your wallet, you mean?
Like the clip.
It's kind of cool.
Whoa.
Pretty
What's
neat.
that?
It's a toy.
That's pretty cool.
Kind of cool.
Hi, how are you?
What's in here?
Under the guise of a wall.
Noah's Ark.
Some little town out of Pittsburgh.
15. Anything you like?
He's done and waits outside a lot.
I thought it was limit of $4. So. Maybe we can get this for our fire piece.
Well, we have a gas fire, so we don't need that. Let's see if you have a real fire.
Never know, Dad. You might have to stoke the gas line.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lizard. I thought it was an alligator.
It's kind of fun. Little Coleco thing.
Trouble?
Yeah, that's kind of cool because it's like it's a combination of treble and pop.
Does it open? Oh, wait, I saw you.
Yeah. Don't break it. Would you do 5 if I got all this?
Sure. Actually, those aren't mine.
Oh, these aren't yours? Whose are these?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. There you go.
All right, thank you.
Cool, thank you.
Oh.
How much is your chair?
$1.
Yeah. Good. Good. I looked. Good. I looked again. I was like, oh, is that a lawn chair?
That's right. Thank you.
All right, cool.
$3. 3.
We don't know how to be quiet in the morning.
Who are we?
How much is your doorbell?
The ring?
Yeah.
It fully works.
Hmm.
I'll give it to you for $50.
50.
They're walkie-talkies, never used.
Prick 'em.
The day's till June 7th.
Don't break it.
August, May, June.
Hey, Halloween costumes.
Yeah.
Never too early.
8. Like around 6.
Anna, do you want to be a preemie Zombarina
Zombarina. What?
for Halloween?
Oh yeah, I have a daughter, she's inside.
Yeah.
She just outgrew.
No?
No.
Your sister might. How much are those?
$5.
Old.
10.
10, yeah, that would be, yeah, 5 plus 5s. Yeah.
Augie.
Do you need like blackout curtains
I don't.
for the girls?
No.
Sounds like you have girls.
I do. I do. I don't think we need blackout curtains.
What a black.
They block the sun out.
Some
so when you
lights.
Go to bed, like, especially this time of year, your room's not so bright.
I'm pretty sure we have curtains, but they don't match.
Yeah, you have curtains. They just don't make it all dark.
Yeah, but we don't want our room all dark.
Any chance you do 30 on the doorbell?
30.
Yeah? Okay.
Alright, I'll pay for it, so I have a $4 bill, and then it'll be
You have a $4 bill? That probably is worth 30.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, no,
A $4 bill.
4-1.
Here. Okay. Cool. Thank you. All right, guys. Thank you for coming with me on that yard sale, or it's a couple yard sales. Some really questionable buys in there, and some decent buys. Questionable buys would be those JAWL lights, the ambient changing color lights. Those are, I don't know why in my head they were worth more, but for some reason I thought they were worth $40. They were only worth like 15 pre-owned, and so I already sold one for $13.79 at his best offer. So I mean, after paying $5 and fees, I'm gonna make like $4. So those were not a good buy. I'm not gonna lose money on them, but they weren't a good buy. I bought this lamb, and it's a nice lamb. This is a high quality Lamb's Ivy signature. Like, this sells for $30, but it's got all this junk on it. I don't feel like it had all this when I bought it. For some reason, like, it picked it up in my car or something. I'm not sure. My car's not that dirty. It's a new car, so I'm not really sure why it's filthy, but I have to try to figure out how to clean it, and maybe I can sell it for $20-30. Also grabbed that belt buckle, the CD and the shaving kit from that one sale. The CD sold for $12 already. The shaving kit I've listed for about $12. And then the belt buckle looks like it goes for $20. I can't find an exact comp, but there's some from the same manufacturer that are selling for $20 with different stuff on it. So I think that stuff's decent. And then at the last sale, I grabbed that Ring doorbell, which felt like a score. She wanted $50, talked her down to $30. It looked brand new. She said it works great. It looked like super mint, but I made the fatal mistake of not opening the box and looking at it. Because when I actually did, there's a crack on the bell. It looks very used. It's clearly what they've had installed on their house for a year or two. So I listed it for cheap. I listed it for $50. Try to recoup my money. Like I said, today's sales, not making a ton. I guess the best thing that came out of that sale is my cool new cooler to hold my beverages. And that is a great buy for $15. I love it. I use it all the time now. So I guess it's not all bad. I didn't lose money, and I got something I wanted. So thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe. Check out NC Flipper. Peace out.